Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. Today, I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Binance on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. To log into Binance on your mobile devices, first, make sure that you've downloaded the app. If you don't have it yet, go to your Play Store or your App Store and download it first. Tap Open your Binance application once you are done with it, and the first interface of Binance will look like this. Tap the Sign Up/Login button from the first interface and you'll end up in the login screen. You can choose whether you want to enter your email address or your phone number in order to log into your account. In my case, let me choose email. Type in your email address into the first text box that appears on the display. Once you type in your information correct, head over to the next field. Now, type in the password associated with your Binance account. Finally, tap the login button to continue logging in. But, in case you've forgotten your password and you don't know what to do next, tap on Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen prompts. If you don't have an account yet for Binance, tap on Register Now link and simply follow the instructions in order to register yourself to a new account. Finally, tap the Login button in order to log into your Binance account. For security verification, drag the slider to fit the puzzle piece. If you're logging in with a new device, you'll need to confirm your login in. Right where it says email verification code, you'll need to tap on the Get Code button and type in the verification code in the text boxes. Tap Get Code to receive it. Now, a verification code will be sent to the email address that is associated with Binance. Simply open up the email and tap Open the inbox received from Binance. You'll be provided an activation code. Copy the activation code and go back to Binance. Paste in the verification code that you just copied in the first text box. Now, you'll need to type in a phone verification code as well. Tap on Get Code right next to the box. Wait for the verification code to be received on your phone number. Copy the code, paste it in the next box, and finally, tap on Submit at the bottom. With this, you have logged in to your Binance account on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.